Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your WhatsApp verification call not working. So let's just get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is you need to ensure that you have a stable cellular connection for calls, not just Wi-Fi. So try to simply toggle on and then toggle off your airplane mode just to give it that quick refresh. The second thing you want to simply go ahead and do is ensure that WhatsApp has permission to access your phone and call logs. And in order to do so, simply go ahead and open your settings and then scroll all the way down until you find apps. And then you want to scroll all the way down again until you find WhatsApp. Tap on that and then make sure that contacts has full access just like that, and it should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't fix your problem, simply go ahead and uninstall and then reinstall your WhatsApp application and restart your phone. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.